Hey there, digital marketers! Did you know that a staggering 80% of digital marketing campaigns fail because they lack a solid strategy? Yes, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into why digital marketing fail without a strategy. Welcome back to the channel, where we uncover the secrets to successful digital marketing. In this video, we're going to discuss the critical importance of having a well-thought-out digital marketing strategy for your campaigns to thrive. So grab a coffee, get comfortable, and let's dive in. Let's talk about the common pitfalls that many businesses encounter when they dive into digital marketing without a clear strategy. One of the biggest issues is inconsistent messaging. Have you ever followed a brand that seems to change its tone and style every other week? It can be confusing, right? Consistency is key in building trust with your audience. Another common problem is targeting the wrong audience. Imagine trying to sell luxury watches to college students on a tight budget. It just doesn't work. Understanding who your audience is and where they hang out online is crucial. Now let's talk about spreading yourself too thin across various channels. It's tempting to want to be everywhere. Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, TikTok, you name it. But without a focused strategy, you end up doing a mediocre job on all platforms rather than excelling on the ones that matter most to your audience. It's like trying to juggle too many balls at once. You might be able to keep a few in the air, but eventually they're all going to come crashing down. To succeed in the digital marketing landscape, you need to understand the key components of a solid strategy. First, define your target audience. Who are they? What do they like? Where do they spend their time online? Next, set clear goals. What do you want to achieve with your marketing efforts? Is it brand awareness, lead generation, or perhaps driving sales? Clear goals will give you direction and help measure your success. Selecting the right channels to reach your audience is another critical step. Not all channels will be relevant to your business. For example, a B2B company might find LinkedIn more effective than Instagram. Crafting compelling messaging that resonates with your audience is equally important. Your content should speak to their needs, interests, and pain points. Think of it like having a conversation with a friend. Be genuine, relatable, and engaging. Now let's look at some real-world examples. Companies that failed to implement a strategic approach often find themselves lost in the digital noise. They might have a great product or service, but without a strategy, their marketing efforts fall flat. On the other hand, companies with a well-defined plan not only stand out, but also achieve remarkable success. Take a look at brands like Apple or Nike. Their marketing is consistent, targeted, and resonates deeply with their audience. The difference is crystal clear. In summary, a digital marketing strategy is the backbone of any successful campaign. It guides your efforts, ensures consistency in messaging, and ultimately leads to better results for your business. Don't underestimate its power. Without a strategy, you're essentially shooting in the dark, hoping to hit a target you can't see. But with a strategy, you have a clear aim, making it much more likely to hit your goals. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the subscribe button for more digital marketing tips and strategies. And don't forget to share your own experiences in the comments below. Let's learn and grow together. Thanks for watching, and until next time, stay curious and keep exploring the endless possibilities of digital marketing. See you in the next video. And remember, don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome content. See you soon!